Hold on to your mutts, it says. BarkBox is here. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This is Bandit, and you know it's his BarkBox, and he knows it's his BarkBox. So this month there's a lot of writing on the box. It says something about win up to 500,000 in prizes. Really, we'd be happy with one extra toy and one extra treat, Bark. We're pretty simple here. So in this box, you're going to get 2 treats, 2 toys, and 1 extra treat, but not a big bag. There's always a theme. It's Big Shake Lake. Do you want to see what's inside? Let's give them a sneak peek first, okay? There is your sneak peek. It's your sneak peek too. What you got, Bandit? All right, first off, we have the doggy paddle kayak. He barely lets me get the tag off. Usually he's got it snatched. One kayak. Next we have the catch of the play. And look at that. Now these have squeakers, they have crunchers, and this one even has stretch. Do you want that? You want to catch fish? This one here has that too. And it has the crinkle. Wait, you want everything? Our 2 treats are chicken recipe clucky jerky trainers and cheesy peasy soft bakes. And then the specialty, we have some clucky nuggy yums. So this is what we're going to try because it's new and we've never had it before. Now they do have all different sizes. I obviously get it for Bandit size. All right, they look like little goldfish. Whoa, tear my hand. I'll take my whole hand off. These are soft baked. It's packed with protein, no corn or soy, and no artificial preservatives. Another one. This one kind of looks like a butterfly. And then inside you can cut that out and put it next to your PAL, and it talks about supervised play is safe play, treats are for eating, toys are not for eating, and just, you know, it's cute. It's got like little things in there, like a little text message. And then they gave me a couple of things to scan. Oh, it says use the code in your confirmation email now through August. I don't think I had a confirmation email. And if I did, I probably just deleted it. Alright, that is Bandit's BarkBox. And he always knows, I think they sent these because he always knows it's his. This is a subscription, although you could go on if you just wanted 1 box and order it and then cancel your subscription if you had something big coming up. Some hotels that are dog friendly, they actually order tons of these boxes, and every time you check in with a dog, there's a box in there waiting for you. So they also have a super chewer, so if you do have a dog that loves to chew, don't worry, they've got a box for you too. And those aren't going to have the soft toys. They're actually going to have soft on the outside sometimes, but then that hard on the inside. So once they chew off the hard, but that way you don't have stuffing everywhere. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.